malupit. This is the second day of our office. Grabe. Power, which is, kay Jaymar. So, grabe, no? We have a lot of invites right now. So now nandun pa sila sa labas. This is our office, the Sante Navigator office. So grabe, no? Grabe talaga. So next orientation is will be conducted after 30 minutes. So yun si Mama, si April Marites. Yun sa ano. Grabe talaga, no? Grabe. Pasabog na talagang grupo ko dito. This is the 2 days production of the group. So kahapon, we have 68 invites. So today, nilagpasan na namin siya. Nasa 88 na kami ngayon. So, anong oras pa ngayon? Nasa 4 p.m. pa po. So, grabe, no? We have a lot of time pa po to achieve the 100 invites per day. Grabe, no? So, this is my goal. So, grabe talagang office talaga dito sa Navigator. So, grabe. Thank you talaga. Of course, sa mga board of directors po, Sir Paul, Sir Joey, sa lahat po. Thank you so much po talaga. Kasi hindi po kami mabibigyan ng tsansa po kung wala po kayo. So, tsansa po na makamit yung mga pangarap namin kung wala po kayo. Kaya thank you so much po talaga. Basta po, gagawin po namin lahat po na makaya namin po to achieve our dreams at to be part anong dapat gawin namin. Okay? Thank you so much talaga po. Okay? So, grabe talaga. As in, grabe power malupit talaga. As in, nakakabaliw, no? Okay, so this is Alex. Okay. So, nagiging tour. Okay, no?
Una-una, kung maabot ka 100 links, automatic Samsung cellphone.
Grabe, no? Kahit sa labas, punong-puno ng tao. Grabe, this is Aizal Gayosa. Grabe, power malupit. This is Sky. Hi, Sky. Of course, this is Rods. Okay? This is Rods. This is Chel. Grabe, no? This is Leia. Hello. This is BM. Power, no? And of course, grabe, no? Grabe, power malupit talaga. Wow.
Grabe power. Malupit. Power. Malupit. Power. Grabe.
Grabe, nagbaha og invites.
Yes, tama.
Grabe, nagbaha. Gugo. Grabe, no? Grabe. How much more kanina, grabe. Kanina morning, mga uplines, grabe talaga. Umabot po kami sa 56 invites po. Power. Grabe, no? Wow. Ngayon, kanina sabi ko 80 plus, pero na-hit na pala namin yung 100 invites per day. So, hit na namin ito. Grabe, no? These are all invited. Mga invites pa po namin. Grabe, no? Wow. Okay. Kaya, thank you so much po sa lahat. Okay. It is the Power Days. Second Power Day of Sante Navigator Iligan. Okay. Thank you. God bless po. Salamat po.